Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document. So over here on my left, I have a PDF file that I will be converting. So the first step is to open the file. And this is it right here. And the next step is to open Microsoft Word. So this is where the document will appear. So you want to drag the PDF file onto the Microsoft page and you'll receive a prompt and it says, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And there you have it. The file is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and look to see if there is any difference or there are any differences. Yes, I've seen a few. On the left, there is a white box, a white rectangle that is not on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can edit this document. See guys, I can edit it. So that's how you convert a PDF file into an editable Word document. Thanks for watching.